Nandito kami sa Escalades Tower. Yan. Anday lang guys ha. Bisitahin lang kaming unit. Uy.
Ay, mga katabi
Hanggang
ng...
14th floor lang pala ito. Escalades.
Ganda rito tayo. Ay, yung swimming pool, nandun sa ilalim yan, no?
Saan?
Kasi ilalim yan.
Sa ilalim nun?
Kasi ito, gym dito.
Sa kabila gym.
Nasa yung family room, function room, amenities.
Ito na yung room. 12H. Gym nila. Yan. Family area. Yan area. Yan. Swimming pool. Ilang feet tong swimming pool? 4 feet lang? Yan. Anong floor to? Third? And thank you for watching. Sample room.
So here we have the two-bedroom unit. Yeah,
50 square meters.
yes, 50
Magkano ang
square
rent?
meters siya. It's pretty flexible depending sa payment terms kasi. So it will depend if magbibigay kayo ng down payment and
Okay.
amortization nila lang or
Asa mo?
Ito na yung 2-bedroom unit, 53 square meter. Sample ng Mira. Yan. Kitchen. Yan. With mirror. Yo. Pakichan. Dining. Sala. Living. Dining. Living. And toilet. Yan. Yan. Tagusan. Ito master bedroom.
Hindi pinto yan.
Yan. Cabinet. Yan. Bintana design yan. Ito another room, 2-bedroom nga eh. Yan. 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 Ganyan lang kaikli guys ha. 53 square meter. Thank you for watching. Yan. Love you guys. See you to the next video.